Did you know that 37 million adults in the U.S. are silently battling chronic kidney disease, often without realizing it until it's too late? One of the earliest and most alarming signs is protein in the urine, known as proteinuria, which occurs when the kidneys are damaged and unable to filter properly. Proteinuria doesn't just signal existing kidney damage. It's a red flag that, if ignored, could lead to further complications like kidney failure. The kidneys play an essential role in detoxifying the blood, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. But when overwhelmed, they start leaking protein into the urine, a condition that is as serious as it sounds. What if I told you there's a simple, natural way to help cleanse your kidneys and reduce protein levels in your urine? A super veggie exists that can support your kidney health like nothing else. Stick with me, because I'll reveal exactly how you can incorporate this powerhouse vegetable into your diet to start protecting your kidneys today. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. One of the best vegetables for kidney cleansing and reducing proteinuria is cucumber. Cucumbers are over 95% water, making them a natural hydrator and diuretic. Hydration is critical for kidney health because water helps flush toxins, waste products, and excess protein out of the body. Cucumbers promote increased urine production, allowing the kidneys to process and eliminate harmful substances more effectively. They also help regulate sodium levels in the body. Excess sodium is one of the leading causes of kidney strain because it increases blood pressure, which damages the tiny filtering units in your kidneys. Cucumbers contain potassium, a mineral that balances sodium levels and helps maintain proper kidney function. By incorporating cucumbers into your meals, whether sliced into salads, blended into juices, or eaten raw as a refreshing snack, you can provide your kidneys with much-needed support and reduce the risk of protein buildup in your urine. Another excellent vegetable for kidney health is celery, long celebrated for its detoxifying properties. Celery contains compounds called phthalates, which naturally dilate blood vessels and improve circulation to the kidneys. This enhanced blood flow ensures that the kidneys can filter waste and proteins more efficiently, reducing strain and improving overall function. Celery is also packed with antioxidants like apigenin and luteolin, which protect kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by toxins and inflammation. Additionally, celery acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the elimination of excess water, salt, and protein through urine. Whether you juice it, add it to soups, or include it in stir-fries, celery can make a significant difference in how well your kidneys function, especially for those with proteinuria. Carrots are another must-have vegetable for anyone looking to support their kidney health. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body converts to vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of kidney tissues. Vitamin A helps reduce inflammation in the nephrons, the tiny filtering units of the kidneys, preventing further damage. Carrots also have mild diuretic properties, helping the kidneys flush out excess fluids and toxins. This natural cleansing effect reduces the strain on your kidneys, allowing them to heal and function more efficiently. Carrots are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed raw, steamed, roasted, or blended into juices for a sweet and nourishing addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Asparagus is another powerful vegetable for kidney detoxification. It contains asparagine, an amino acid that stimulates kidney activity and increases urine production. This helps flush out toxins, excess salts, and proteins that can accumulate and overburden the kidneys. Asparagus is also rich in glutathione, one of the body's most potent antioxidants, which protects kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that asparagus consumption can improve kidney function and lower protein levels in urine, making it an invaluable addition to any kidney-supporting diet. To preserve its nutrients and enhance its cleansing properties, lightly steam or roast asparagus for a delicious side dish. Red bell peppers are another standout vegetable for kidney health. Low in potassium, but high in vitamins A, C, and B6, red bell peppers are ideal for those managing chronic kidney disease or proteinuria. These nutrients help repair damaged kidney tissue, reduce inflammation, and prevent further protein leakage. Red bell peppers are also packed with antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Their sweet, crunchy texture makes them a versatile addition to salads, stir-fries, or even as a raw snack. Including red bell peppers in your meals is an easy way to boost your kidney health while enjoying their vibrant flavor. If you're looking for a more unconventional option, consider radishes. These crunchy vegetables are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them ideal for individuals with kidney issues. Radishes act as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins and excess protein while supporting liver function, which indirectly benefits the kidneys by reducing the overall toxin load in the body. Radishes are also rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, protecting kidney tissues from further damage. Their sharp, peppery flavor adds a unique touch to salads, and they can even be blended into detox drinks for a kidney cleansing boost. The beauty of these vegetables is how easily they can be incorporated into a daily diet. Imagine starting your morning with a refreshing juice made from cucumber, celery, and parsley, followed by a colorful salad of red bell peppers, radishes, and shredded carrots for lunch. For dinner, pair your main dish with a side of lightly steamed asparagus or roasted carrots. These simple yet powerful dietary changes can help cleanse your kidneys, reduce protein levels in your urine, and protect your kidneys from further damage. Proteinuria isn't just a warning sign. It's a chance to take proactive steps to protect your kidney health and prevent more serious complications down the line. These vegetables work individually and synergistically to provide your kidneys with the cleansing and restorative support they need. Think about it. Your kidneys are working 24/7 to keep your body free from toxins and maintain balance. Isn't it time you gave them the care they deserve? With these superfoods on your plate, you can take control of your health and safeguard your kidneys for years to come. And now, keep watching for more health tips.